What if making a song was as simple as sending a text? No music degree, no studio, no complicated software. I found a tool called Tunesona that actually does this, and it works differently from every AI music tool I've tried before. Most of them give you one result and that's it. Tunesona is more like texting back and forth with a music producer. You describe what you want, it builds it, and you keep refining it through chat until it's exactly right. And every track it makes is royalty free, so you can use it in your YouTube videos, your streams, your ads, whatever, no copyright issues. Let me show you. So this is the homepage. That chat box in the center is basically your studio now. And if you scroll down, there are templates you can pick from if you don't want to start from scratch. I'm going to describe a vibe and let it build the track. My prompt says, create a chill, lo-fi hip-hop beat with soft piano, light rain sounds, and a relaxed, laid-back vibe. Perfect background music for a study session. I'll hit send and give it a few seconds. So before it generates, it shows you its plan. You can check if the AI actually understood what you want. If something's off, you click adjust strategy. If it looks good, you click lock and generate, then continue and start generating song. And there it is, a full track from one sentence. You hear that? The piano, that subtle rain texture underneath. The whole vibe is exactly what I described. Now, here's where it gets interesting. I want to tweak something. Instead of starting over, I just type in the same chat. Make the piano a bit more prominent and add some light vinyl crackle. It picks up from where it was and adjusts. That's the agent part. It remembers everything in the conversation and builds on it. That's what actually makes this different. Now, let me show you the lyric song mode. If you already have lyrics written, or even just an idea, click custom right here. I've got some short lyrics. I'll paste them in. You can click here to let the AI clean up or optimize your lyrics, but I'll leave mine as they are. There's also a shuffle button if you have nothing written at all and just want the AI to generate something for you. Then in the style field, I'll type indie pop with acoustic guitar, warm drums, uplifting, hopeful tone. I'll set the vocal gender to male for this demo, leave the title blank, and submit. So we've got two different versions to compare. Let me play the first one.
Woke up with the city in my eyes. Coffee getting cold, chasing sunrise. Got 100 tabs open in my mind. Trying to build something one day at a time. I don't need it all figured out.
That matched the tone perfectly. Warm, hopeful, exactly the indie feel I described. Now let me play the second one.
Coffee getting cold, chasing sunrise. Got 100 tabs open in my mind. Trying to build something one day at a time. I don't need it all figured out. Just a little fire to push through the doubt.
When you find the one you like, click the download button and pick your format. You've got MP4 for video, MP3 for audio, instrumental only, vocals only, and a few others. If you go with video, you can also choose your aspect ratio, either 9:16 for vertical or 16:9 for landscape, depending on where you're posting. If you want to do more with the track, click the three dots. From there, you can rename it, grab your commercial license for free with one click, or go into the stem splitter. Stems basically break your song apart into its individual layers so you can work with them separately. You've got two options: dual track mode, which splits everything into just vocals and the backing track, or multi-track mode, which goes deeper and separates the vocals, drums, bass. and other instruments into up to 12 individual tracks. I'll go with multi-track, hit confirm, and let it run. It takes around 5 minutes. When it's done, you can play each part individually before downloading. You can click download and just select the tracks you want and download. Now the plans. Basic is $6.99 for the first month. You get 1,000 credits, which is enough for up to 200 songs. Included, lyrics and style generation, music generation, vocal remover, stem splitting up to 12 tracks, lyric video export, MIDI and sheet music downloads, and MP3 downloads. Pro is $9.99 for the first month. You get 2,000 credits, up to 400 songs, and it adds WAV downloads and a commercial license PDF. The one that actually stands out is Premiere. One payment of $69.99 and you're done forever. No monthly bill. You get unlimited songs, 2,000 credits every month, up to 10 concurrent jobs, WAV downloads, the commercial license, and one-on-one support. If you're going to use this regularly, the lifetime plan makes the most sense. Every plan comes with a 30-day refund guarantee. And if you just want to try it before spending anything, new signups get free credits and you don't need a credit card to start. Link is in the description. That's Tunesona. Describe a sound, get a full track, refine it until it's right. If you want a deeper look at any specific feature, like the stem splitter or the lyric video export, drop a comment and I'll do a follow-up. Link is in the description. Subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next one.